Morning, we have a statement from the PRO, Delhi Fire Service, Rajinder Atwal. He said with multiple calls and panic reported, units were dispatched at 2:27 a.m. The building was about 110 square yards, ground plus 5 floors with parking and a shop at the front. Firefighters rescued 8 people, including 2 women from the terrace.
दिल्ली फायर सर्विस कंट्रोल रूम में 2:25 पे आई थी कि तुगलकाबाद गली नंबर 1 में एक रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग के अंदर आ गया है और क्योंकि कॉल बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही थी तो ये जो हमारे लोग हैं उन्होंने असेस कर लिया कि फायर जो है बड़ी हो सकती है, तो इसलिए इमीडिएटली 2:27 पे जो नियर बाई के 3-4 स्टेशन है वहाँ से जो है हमने फायर यूनिट डिस्पैच किए। और हालांकि हमारा जो हाउस फायर होती है उसमें 2 गाड़ी का स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर है, लेकिन क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ कॉल्स और लोगों का जो पैनिक सिचुएशन जो जिसमें वो बोल रहे थे उसको देखते हुए हमने 7 गाड़ियों को टर्न आउट कराया था, इंक्लूडिंग जो है वो ब्रांटो स्काई लिफ्ट को भी हमने भेजा। लेकिन जो है वो वहाँ पे स्पेस इतना नहीं था कि वो ब्रांटो स्काई लिफ्ट हमारी प्लेस हो पाती। बट हमारे जो फर्स्ट फायर यूनिट है लगभग 2:40 पे सीन पे पहुंच गया था और उन्होंने साथ के साथ ही कंट्रोल को इन्फॉर्म किया कि ऐसे ऐसे फायर है, स्टिल्ट फ्लोर पे व्हीकल्स के अंदर फायर है और फायर ऊपर भी ट्रैप।
Aditya Vadavan continues to be with us. Aditya, fresh updates have been released on the fire by the Delhi Fire Service. What have the authorities said on what caused the fire and how quickly it was responded to?
According to officials, the fire was reported around 2-3 a.m. from gully number 1 in Tughlakabad. The blaze erupted in a parking area on the ground floor of a building comprising a ground floor and 5 upper stories. 8 residents trapped inside the building due to heavy smoke were rescued and rushed to Safdarjung Hospital and AIIMS Trauma Center. Initial inquiry revealed that the fire appeared to have started due to an electrical short circuit on the ground floor. The flames quickly engulfed 7 parked two-wheelers, including an electric scooter that was being charged. Local police personnel immediately rushed to the spot and were soon joined by the SHO, ACP, additional DCPs and the DCPs of the Southeast District, I beg your pardon. Rescue operations for trapped residents were launched simultaneously. 4 fire tenders, CATs, ambulances and other emergency response units were also pressed into service. There.
And more breaking news also coming in now this hour. The Delhi High Court has refused to immediately